If your local business isn't showing up in the map pack, it's probably your Google business profile description that's holding you back. Most businesses skip it, keyword stuff it, or they write something vague that doesn't clearly explain what it is that they do and where it is that they do it, which makes it really hard for Google to rank that business locally. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your Google business profile description the right way. And I'm also going to show you how to do this using free tools to make your job even easier. And in case we haven't met yet, I'm Greg Seacrest, the co-founder of BKA Content, a 7-figure SEO agency that's been in business for over 16 years. Over the years, we've helped thousands of clients to rank higher on Google with good content strategy, SEO, and digital marketing. So what I'm going to show you today isn't theory, it actually works. And by the end of this video, you're going to be able to craft a much better Google business profile description that'll actually help you to rank online. So let's get into it. All right, so to get started, I need to show you where you even can access this description that we're talking about inside of your Google Business Profile. So inside of your Google Business Profile, there's an Edit Profile option. So if we go ahead and click this, you'll see that it will come up with some different fields. And the main one that we're going to focus on today is this description section. So this is what we're talking about when we're talking about optimizing your description inside of your Google Business Profile. So now that you know where the description is inside of your GBP, let's talk about how to optimize it the right way using a very simple formula. And the formula is simply this. Number one, in your description, you need to start by listing the actual cities that you service. And number two, after you've listed those cities, you need to list the actual services that you provide. So let's take a look at a good example of an optimized description. So here inside of this home builder example, if we go down to the description, which you can see right here, let's take a look at this and break it down to make sure that it follows the formula that we just talked about. So it says right here at client name, we specialize in building custom homes throughout northern Utah, including West Haven, Plain City, North Ogden, West Point, Far West, Mountain Green, Morgan, and Taylor, Harrisville, and surrounding areas. So right off the bat, you can see that they're listing all of the cities that they actually build homes in, and they're also saying the surrounding areas, and they've even included a region here in northern Utah. So it's making it very, very clear. You're sending a signal to Google right off the bat. This is where we do the thing that we do. And this is really important because when it comes to the map pack, Google is trying to serve up results based on the location of the person that's searching for it. So if it says nowhere in your description that you service a certain city and someone in that city's on their phone looking up the service that you provide, it makes it really hard for Google to understand contextually that you even service that area. This is why it's so important to start with the locations in your description. So let's keep going. Right here it says, with over 20 years of experience, we're dedicated to delivering exceptional craftsmanship and personalized service every step of the way. So this is just a simple kind of credibility social proof line. You're telling people how long you've been in business, but it's short. We're not going into all the awards they've received or anything like that. We're just giving a short, concise line that helps with some credibility. Now here's the next part of the formula. Our services include custom home building, ADUs, home additions, finished basements, indoor sport courts, and more. So we've listed the main services that this home builder does. And listing the services, again, just helps Google to match what people are searching for. For example, if you're a home services company that does HVAC, plumbing, and electrical, but you don't list any of those services that you provide in your description, Google might only be able to pair one of those up depending on what the actual name of your company is. So putting the services in your description, it just really helps Google to be crystal clear on what it is that you even do. Now, we get asked this question all the time because inside of your profile, there is a section to be able to add services. So if you click Edit Profile here, this is where you can actually set the service areas, right? So you can see right here, the service areas are all set. There's a lot more here than we listed in that description because you don't want to list every single one if you have more than 5. So as a general rule, if you have more than 5, I would just pick your top 5 areas that you're going to put in your actual description. And when it comes to services, there is an actual Edit Services section of your business profile, which if you click on this, you can see here that there are lots of services that we've put in manually, but there's a lot of services here that Google just kind of automatically puts in there that it thinks will be relevant to what you do. So the biggest reason why you should also optimize this description with the locations, it just helps Google to dial in what you think are the most important locations and the most important services. And this is why it's called optimization, because you have created those service areas as well as the services, and then you've added a third layer on top of that to give Google even extra context to fully understand what it is that you do and where it is that you do it. So in an effort to make your life a little bit easier in creating this description, I'm going to show you how you can do this in ChatGPT following the formula that we've just gone over. So here's ChatGPT, and all we're gonna do is feed it with a little bit of information. This is where most people get AI wrong, is they just ask AI one question and expect it to do a super awesome job. But the more you can feed it, the better chance you're gonna have of it actually creating something that you can use. So the nice thing is that ChatGPT knows what a Google Business Profile description is. It knows how many characters it's supposed to be. So it's actually gonna do a pretty good job here to kind of create the number of words that it needs to make without you having to think too hard about it. So we're just going to use kind of a fake business profile to be able to create a description here inside of ChatGPT. So we're going to imagine that we have a plumbing company in Ogden, Utah. So you can see in this prompt here, all we've done is told it the name of our company, we've told it the services that we provide and where we do it, and we're asking it to help us to make a Google Business Profile. So once I've fed this information into ChatGPT, I'm going to hit enter and we'll see what we get back. So right here, you can see it says ABC Plumbing proudly serves Ogden, Pleasant View, and North Ogden, Utah, providing reliable home service solutions for homeowners and businesses throughout the area. So this is pretty good. I really like that it lists the areas first. I would want to make it more clear here that we offer plumbing, electrical, and HVAC, or that we are a plumbing service. Home services, I don't really know if that's descriptive enough, so I would make some tweaks here. But then if we move on to the next section, it says we offer full service plumbing, including leak detection, drain cleaning, water heater repair, and installation pipe repair. So it's going over a list of services that we provide. Now, this is a fake company. Like, it doesn't know that we offer these things or not. So this is where you would need to go in and just make sure that you edit or swap out or add or remove services that you do or don't actually do. And then it even has kind of a credibility line here at the end, right? With experienced technicians and commitment to quality work, ABC Plumbing is your local source for plumbing, HVAC, and electrical services you can count on. So again, you're 85–90% of the way there with ChatGPT helping you create a description. So the next question you might be wondering is, does changing this actually work? Does it actually make a difference? And the answer is yes. And let me show you an example. So we've just recently been helping an electrician that's rebranded in their local area. And so if I type in electrician in Far West, they used to never rank in the map pack for that term because it wasn't listed anywhere in their Google Business Profile that they work in Far West. So after making some tweaks to the GBP, and that was all we did, within 30 days, they are now ranking in the map pack in the second position here. So you can see if I click on their business and we take a look at their profile, you'll see right here that it says that they're a family-owned company based in Far West, Utah, serving Layton, Ogden, Logan, and communities throughout northern Utah. So the fact that we put Far West inside of this description made a massive difference in helping them to rank inside of the map pack. Now, is changing your description always going to get you to the top of the map pack no matter what? Maybe, but you'll never even have a chance if you don't update or optimize your Google Business Profile description. In really competitive areas, the answer is probably no. You're going to need to do a lot more local SEO work to help you to rank. But in smaller, less competitive areas inside of your service areas, it absolutely can make a massive difference to get you in the map pack. Now, optimizing your Google Business Profile description is just one part of the whole local SEO strategy to help you to rank really, really high in the map pack. So while updating that description can definitely help and make a big impact, there's lots of other things that have to do with local SEO to help you to get to the top. If you want to learn the exact system that our experts use to help our clients rank online, then you need to click the link below and join our school community. Inside of our community, you can unlock our local SEO course, which goes over from start to finish all the things that you need to do to get your local business to rank online. So click the link below and join our school community and start getting your business to rank better online. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that you hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you'll be alerted when we put out more helpful content like this. And if you're looking for more quick wins, make sure you watch this video where we go over how simply changing your homepage headline can make a big difference when it comes to ranking higher in local SEO. So click this video and we'll see you over there.